tune a lot because you can kind of fall behind on it and catch up. So it's got a lot of sort of overlapping beats going on. It kind of illustrates the connection between blues and old time. Yeah. That's kind of what I'm hearing underneath it. Most of the time, that's what's going on in my head. It's like a New Orleans sort of second life. Underneath that, what I'm hearing. What's going on in your head when you're playing? And a lot of times we'll create a palette for what you do over top of it. And by leaving spaces in what you're doing, you actually hear in the silences a lot of times what's going on in a person's head. So even if no one's playing that with me, I'll hear that going on. Heard that I was in New Orleans. I went down there in like 1982 to just check out the whole music scene that was going on there, and there was a band called the Dirty Dozen. Yeah, and they were, they would do these parades, especially for funerals and stuff. They'd be marching through the streets and that. And I heard that beat. It was like, oh, I love that. It's never gonna leave me. I know it is. That pretty much crept into a lot of them. Yeah, I bet it is. I don't really know the history of it. I bet it is. It feels like it. Pardon me?
What do you do with your
Nothing.
It's for personal hygiene.
Yeah, exactly. It sort of bugs
I
me.
think it has a lot of mystery.
Yeah.
It's for the
Like you
juju.
keep waiting for you to do something.
Yeah, no, nothing with this one. I use it actually to tighten up my pants. It's like a screwdriver.
It's your personal
Ear cleaner, screwdriver.
And it balances, If you have one short, one long, you can't,
Well, I got two. Mostly the gal that plays fiddle with me, Rose. When I realized how much it bugged her that I had really long thumbnails, I stopped cutting them.
That's encourage her to get over it.
Yeah.
Her path to enlightenment.
That's
That's right.
There's a lot of other stuff to get over.
That's a good example.
Yeah. Sort of tempted to go into another tuning, but I don't want to make it work together.
I like to hear what you said.
Workshop or something?
That's how to create that.
Yeah, loosely.
That's why when I play.
Oh yeah. I love D. D and C are really fun because you can use. Well, here, why don't we go? C is pretty clear. Let's go to C. Just pretend it's D. So when I go to C, I just drop this one down to a C string. bring this one up to a C.
Oh, you got the sauce on it too.
And it's not really a C chord because it doesn't have the third. It's actually, when it's open, it's just like a...
It's really very nice.
Well, the nice thing about it is you could be in major or minor, really. So you were even in like a modal or more modal.
So naturally jazzy night.
Yeah, yeah. It's a 9 chord, right? And then if you fret these two in this key, then it becomes like a neutered chord. It's not really major or minor. Modal? Yeah. Normally I would play it at Veins of Coal. I would play it out of this tuning, but up in D here. But I'll show you how that one works. If we were going to play Veins of Coal at C, one of the things that's odd about this tune is that I just leave this finger almost always fretted on the 5th fret. That makes it's not major, it's not minor. It neuters the whole thing to just. And then you can do the whole tune on just the 3rd and 5th fret of any of the strings. So you got this drone going, it's like this the whole time. I would call that like just the palette. That's kind of where it's starting. So that whole tune is just on the 3rd and 5th fret. It's kind of fun that way. All your daylight, I dig it hard. Feel the wind break the stone in the blackness, far below. My blood runs through veins of gold. Shaft of daylight, the lapse begun. Siren scream up the valley, bandit home. In the blackness, my breath is fading. In an ocean of frozen stone, frozen stone. In an ocean. Do you hear a canary in a caged cage on the ground? Is she crying Turn the pole. Turn the pole. My bones will turn. Turn the pole. Turn the pole. My bones will turn the pole. Turn the pole. My bones will turn into gold. Let's get kind of a little bit of minor in it once in a while. But it's really more just kind of open
Can you strum it open one time? Here, hold on. Oh.
It's like a
So-
nine chord.
So is it a double C tuning?
Mhm.
It is. Oh,
Yep.
okay.
Double C.